Safe Zones allows you to create up to 20 geofences for your family. Deleting unused geofences will be covered at the end of this video. Geofence controls may be created on either a parent phone or each individual child's phone. The estimated time to create each geofence is 3 minutes or less. To create a geofenced location, tap on Locations at the bottom of the dashboard screen. Tap the plus symbol in the upper right corner to begin. Name the location, add the street address, then tap Define Safe Zone. Tap the screen 4 times to establish a 4-point boundary that you can customize. To adjust the location of a point, long press on the point and move it to the desired location. To add more points, tap the screen to create your desired geometry. To delete a point, select Delete Points and long press a point to remove it. When the geofence is completely drawn, tap Create at the bottom of the screen to save it. If you need to make changes to a saved geofence, tap Edit Geofence and use these same steps to adjust its borders. Tap Save when complete. To test your geofence, tap Test Geofence. The test screen will show your phone's location as a blue dot. The indicator at the bottom of the screen will show green if you're inside the geofence or red if outside the fence. To check whether the geofence is at its desired location, walk with your phone across the boundaries. The indicator will turn red when your phone moves outside the geofence. Please note that the precision of the geofence lines can vary by a few feet. As a side note, the perimeter circle shown around the geofence is used by Safe Zones to alert the system that it is approaching a geofence. It cannot be adjusted. To delete one of your geofence locations, tap the location, in this example, Pizza Parlor, tap Edit Location, and then tap Delete Location at the bottom of the screen. Congratulations on completing this step. In our next tutorial, you'll learn how to customize the app and time controls using your child's phone.